song, Becca?
Kazoo carols for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Just like
Request.
a request.
Oh.
I'm like,
Hi, we're going to sing some Christmas tunes. Do you have a favorite Christmas carol you like that we can sing? Can we sing you a favorite Christmas carol?
Well, you certainly may. You want to come in?
There's a lot of us.
I don't care.
We could
got
sing.
plenty of room here.
We could sing "Joy to the World," or if you have a request, a favorite.
Joy to the world is beautiful.
Okay.
I love it.
And we're kazoo Christmas caroling this year.
Merry Christmas.
You made my day.
Happy to hear it.
We give you a treat there.
do another song if you want.
Oh, they're all fattening. I presume you took all the calories out, huh?
Yes. Yeah, no calories in that one.
They're 100-calorie cookies.
Thank you,
Oh,
God.
you're welcome.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Same to you.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.